Dr. Troy here, the Vancouver chiropractor at Zenaptic Chiropractic, located on Andresen and 4th Plain in beautiful Midtown Vancouver, Washington. Hey, a lot of patients ask about arthritis. I get emails from people on the internet. Can you help with arthritis? And so if we break the word down, it really means artho, which means joint. And then you have itis. I always say Arthur and his 4 brothers itis because that means inflammation. So if you really put it together in English, it means joint inflammation. So you could sprain your ankle, you could sprain your spine. You're typically going to see some sort of inflammatory issue. Now there's 3 types of arthritis. There is degenerative arthritis, which by far is the most common. Anybody over 30 is going to have probably some sort of degenerative arthritis in their spine. There's inflammatory arthritis, and then there is also infectious arthritis, things like TB. So in my 24 years, I've never seen a TB case. I have seen some psoriatic arthritis, some inflammatory arthritis, but the majority, over 90% of arthritis cases are due to joint dysfunction, joint trauma, irritation. Now, if you look at a patient maybe who's 40 or 50, 60, 70, somebody who has some pretty severe degenerative areas in their spine, that doesn't mean they're going to be in pain. You could have a degenerative spine but not have pain. Now, when you exacerbate a joint or put too much stress on a joint, let's say your neck or your low back, then you get an inflammatory response. So that's typically what people say, oh, I have arthritis. And so that just means they've got spinal pain, they've got joint pain. Well, how the heck does chiropractic help with that? Well, one of the big things with chiropractic, if the vertebrae shift out of alignment, there's lots of joints. There's 313 spinal joints in the spine. And so if those joints malfunction, they get out of alignment, they're overstressed, they can flare up. How does chiropractic help? Well, our job is to find out where the interference is, use chiropractic techniques, adjusting techniques that are very gentle, that feel good. I always say adjustments shouldn't hurt. They should make you feel better. Now, it's common to see sometimes in the first few adjustments, people can get sore, just like if they went to the gym, worked out for the first time in a year, they might experience some soreness. But these joints in the spine, they move freely if they're uninterrupted. But if there's swelling or irritation in a degenerative joint, you can create arthritis type pain, which is classically, you'll see it on TV and they say, hey, take our medication. But that's really not the cause, is lacking medication. The cause is the joints don't work right. So chiropractic techniques can help in many of these patients find relief naturally so they don't have to seek the over-the-counter drugs or prescription drugs. And that's one of our missions, is to help people live a more healthier, natural, holistic life. So if you're interested in getting checked to see if you've got arthritis pain that chiropractic can help you with, consultation's always free at Zenaptic Chiropractic. Call our office, 360-260-6903. This is Dr. Troy in beautiful Midtown Vancouver, Washington.